Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about why Amazon might not be your best bet when starting out looking for an affiliate program. But before we get on to all that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing you don't have to worry about all the hassle of creating your own product when you're just starting out. You don't need to build a website, you don't need to write a sales letter, and there's no need to worry about customer support as the product owner takes care of that. Basically, you just promote someone else's product and collect a commission every time someone makes a sale. This way is far easier, as you only really need to concentrate on one main aspect: getting people to see your affiliate offer. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I'll not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the subscribe button, and when you hit the subscribe button you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic: why Amazon might not be your best bet when starting out looking for an affiliate program. For anyone starting out looking for ways to make extra money, my personal recommendation would be to start with affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to send people to someone else's product, and if they end up buying, you get paid a commission. When first starting out as an affiliate, many people will use a site like Amazon or one of the many big retailers online. The problem is most of these big retailers will only pay a small commission, maybe 5 to 10%. As an affiliate, if you're promoting a product that costs $100, you need to make a lot of sales to make a worthwhile amount if your commission is only 5 to 10%. So what's the alternative? First of all, let's talk about how you actually go about finding affiliate partners. If we use Amazon as an example, it's really quite simple. You would go to their website and look for their affiliate page, then sign up. However, the problem is, as I mentioned earlier, small commissions. Okay, so what about partnering with one of the many smaller companies or individual entrepreneurs online who are more likely to pay you bigger commissions, sometimes as much as 50% or higher? Well, if you want to do this, here are a few things you might want to consider. Start by looking for affiliate partners who operate in a niche that is of interest to you, and make a list. It might be a good idea to join their email list and pay attention on how they actually go about marketing their products. Try and find out as much as you can about the products they offer and whether or not they're the kind of products you would be happy to sell. If they are a good fit, then you need to find out if they are willing to accept you as an affiliate. Now, all this may seem like a lot of hard work, and it can be, but you need to know these things. Many of these online entrepreneurs, particularly those who pay decent commissions, won't actually partner with new affiliates. It's simply too risky for them, and they just don't have the time to train up new affiliates. So for you as a new affiliate, what's the answer? Well, fortunately, I do have a solution. In my humble opinion, my mentor and partner Dean Holland and his company Internet Profits tick all the right boxes when it comes to looking for a good affiliate partner. Now, if you look below this video in my description, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online training video where Dean, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will explain the 4 core areas you need to focus on to grow a profitable affiliate business. During his free presentation, Dean will reveal how you can get yourself a free copy of his new book, The Iceberg Effect. This book outlines Dean's highly successful and revolutionary approach to building a sustainable and highly profitable internet business as an affiliate marketer in today's economy. Inside this book, you'll find out how you can partner with Dean and promote all his products that pay commissions at all rates up to thousands of dollars. Dean also provides his partners with extensive training to help them succeed. Now, I'm not going to go into all that in this video. The idea behind this video was to simply give you some ideas when it comes to finding a good affiliate partner, especially when just starting out. Having said that, if you want to find out more about Dean and his affiliate program, then you can register for the free training video by clicking the link in my description below. Even if you decide not to get a copy of his book, the video is well worth a look, as it will show you the 4 core areas you need to focus on as an affiliate. This information alone could save you a lot of wasted time and money, as you will at least know the areas you need to focus on when growing your affiliate business. Now, just a quick disclaimer. I am an affiliate partner of Dean's, and as such, I will be compensated if you do decide at some point to purchase any of his products through my links. But the training video you're signing up for, if you click the link in my description below, is completely free with no obligation to buy anything else. I do highly recommend Dean and believe he's one of the most trustworthy internet marketers online. And he is one of the very best at providing his clients with all the help they need to succeed. As such, I would suggest you at least take a look at his free online video. Okay, if you enjoyed today's video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below in my description and click the link, sign up and watch Dean's free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.